What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious creamy spinach stuffed salmon, guys. So delicious. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. So these are the ingredients we're gonna be working with to stuff our salmon. We have some cream cheese as well as spinach, minced garlic, salt and pepper, as well as our Parmesan cheese. So we're gonna get all these in a bowl and we are gonna mix them up and get them well combined, guys. Get them talking to each other, guys. Gotta get the party started. You know how we rock. And guys, make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature, because it's gonna be super stiff and hard to mix everything together if your cream cheese is fresh out of the fridge. So make note of that. It is very important. And guys, let me know in the comments down below, have you ever tried stuffed salmon? If you have not, what are you waiting on? Guys, do you live under a rock? You guys have to try it. It is so good. So now that we have our stuffing all mixed up, we're gonna move on to our salmon fillets. We're just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on these bad boys, give them a nice luxurious massage, because you know how we rock, you know how we do. You know what I'm talking about? Once that's all said and done, get yourself the seasonings that we have listed on the screen and go crazy, go absolutely ham, be generous. You guys, if you guys like are the real OGs, you guys know the motto. I'm not even gonna say the motto. I'm gonna let you drop the motto down below. I'm just gonna be quiet. Drop it down. You already know what it is. You know what I'm talking about? So we're gonna go ahead and season these up proper. Once that's all said and done, we need to create a little bit of a pocket inside of our salmon so we can stuff them up. So you want to go ahead and grab your knife just like so and cut yourself a little bit of a pocket in there so we can stuff all of that goodness in our salmon. Don't go too crazy and just butcher up your piece of salmon. Just be, you know, kind of a little bit of gentle. You don't want to cut all the way through. You want to just create a nice little pocket just on one side, just like so, guys. Now that our pocket is there, it is time to stuff our salmon. Guys, go ahead and grab yourself a handful and get to stuffing. Just like so, guys. Get all that goodness in this salmon, just like so. Don't go too crazy, but put a good amount in there if you know what I mean. So now that our salmon is all stuffed up, go ahead and get you a pan. Get it nice and hot. I got mine to about, I would say, a medium. And I'm just gonna drop a little bit of unsalted butter in the pan. Let that melt up. Once that's all said and done, it's time to sit that salmon all up in there one at a time. Get them in the pan. And man, that aroma, that sizzle, I'm in love, guys. I love me some salmon. So we got that going, and you want to cook it until each side is nice and golden brown like this. Takes about, I would say, maybe 4 to 5 minutes on each side, and you should get this result that you see on the screen. Once you have all your salmon cooked up perfectly, looking all beautiful like this, you can go ahead and remove them from the pan. And my goodness, guys, this looks so good already. And you know what I always say, it tastes just as good as it look, if not better. Once you have everything done off the pan, go ahead and plate up, get you a fork just like me, and dig in. Look at that. Look at that salmon, guys. Look how beautiful this dish is. It's just absolutely delicious. It has a beautiful presentation, guys. You will truly impress anybody you serve this to. Perfect for a date night or just a dinner with the family. Perfect for any occasion. You know what I mean? It is so good, and I cannot wait for you to try it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to, drop that like, tap that like button for your boy. And I will see you on the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Deuces.